Okay, we're showing Gracie the pretend cockroach. Gracie, get it, Gracie. Get it, Gracie. Get it, Gracie. Do you want it? Here, hold it. Hold it, Gracie. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Do you want it? No? Are you scared of it? You want me to put it down here? Where is it? Oh, is it there? Should I get it? Should I get it? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah? You want to hold it? Mommy's so mean. Gracie, it's not real. It's not real. See? What are you going to do with it? Did you throw it away? Oh, you want Sadie to eat it? You don't like him? No. You got it now?